Hello friends, thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope you and your family members are doing good and you're keeping safe. Albert Einstein said, reality is merely an illusion, though a very persistent one. So what did Einstein mean? He meant your version of reality is just your way of thinking or your way of understanding things. Now, if reality is merely an illusion, then the problem which you see in front of you or the things which you're experiencing in your life may not be the reality. They may be the problem which is caused or which you're experiencing due to the limited understanding of your situation. James Allen, in his book As a Man Thinketh, said, a person is limited only by the thought that he chooses. A new study suggests that on an average, a person has 6,200 thoughts per day. Can you believe that? You get 6,000, on average, 6,200 thoughts per day. But you know what? You and I, we think about one negative thought. We worry about that one thought. We lose sleep over that one thought. We waste our time over that one negative thought until that thought really becomes a reality in our life. Out of the 6,200 thoughts which comes to us on a given day, we lose sleep. We end up thinking over that one negative thought again and again, thinking that is a reality, and we make it as a reality in our life. And this is what American broadcaster Germany Kent said. She said, it's a funny thing about life. Once you begin to take note of the things you are grateful for, you begin to lose sight of the things that you lack. So my friends, take your eyes off the problem by taking the thoughts of your mind. Replace it with good thoughts. Replace it with thoughts of gratitude. Think about the things which went well for you. Think about the good things that happened in your life. So you have two choices. You can either think of the bad thing, the bad thought, the negative thought, again and again, worry about it, lose sleep about it, and make that a reality in your life. Or you can replace that negative thought with the thoughts of gratitude, with thoughts of hope, with good thoughts, and make the good thoughts your reality. Either ways, you can create your own reality. Your reality is not outside. Your reality is in your mind. As a man thinks, so is he. So my friends, create your own reality. It is here in your mind. It is not outside. Create your reality, my friends. See you. All the best.